Hello, today we would like to present to you our case study on the topic of car tire. I am Muhammad AKBAR bin SITAM and my teammate is Muhammad FIKRI bin IBRAHIM and AIMAN bin ROSLI. There are 5 content that we would like to talk about, just like you can see in this slide. I will talk about the manufacturing process of car tire, and my teammate Syed and Fikri will talk and explain to you about the rest of the content. First thing first, the manufacturing process. The manufacturing process of car tire involves several stages, including the preparation of raw material until it becomes the final product. There are 8 steps or process to make a car tire. The first step is material preparation. Of course, before we want to make a product, we will need something to process it to make it become something new, which in our case is a car tire. Natural rubber, synthetic rubber and fabric cord are the main material used in tire production. The second step is blending. The material that I just mentioned before, which is natural rubber, synthetic rubber and fabric cord, are mixed in a giant blender to produce a sticky black mixture. And then the third step is mill. The cooled rubber is cut into strips that will form the basic structure of the tire. The next step is building. In this step, the inner liner, fabric layer and outer thread are made layer by layer on the tire. The result of this process we call a green tire. The green tire is then vulcanized by hot mold in a curing press, compressing all the tire parts together and giving the tire its final shape. This step we call as a curing. After curing, the tire goes through quality inspection. The tire is examined for its appearance, balance and uniformity. The last 2 steps are tire labeling and packaging. The important detail like size, load index and speed rating is labeled on the tire. And then the completed tire are packaged and ready to be distributed.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. My name is AIMAN SYAIRAZI bin ROSLI. Today, I would like to give an example about the materials using in tire process. First thing first, the tire process had 5 materials. The first one is the rubber. The types used is natural rubbers and synthetic rubbers. Second, fabric and cord materials. The types is polyester, nylon, and rayon. Third, the steels. Types is steel belt. Fourth is chemical compound. The types is carbon black, sulfur, antioxidants, and anti-ozonants. The last one is filler and additive. The type is silica and zinc oxide. Next are equipment for making tires. First, mixing equipment. Internal mixers. This machine mix and blend rubber compounds with additives such as carbon black, sulfur, accelerators, and other chemicals. Second, extraction equipment. Bindery mixer. Further mix and refine the rubber compound. Extruders shape the rubber compound into sheets or strips. Calendaring equipment. Calendars form the rubber into sheets of desired thickness. These sheets are then coated with fabric or steel belt. Fourth, building equipment. Tire building machine TBMS assemble the various tire components including inner liner, body pliers, bolts, and thread in a specific order to create the tire structure. Number 5, curing equipment. Tire curing process. Apply heat pressure to vulcanize the rubber, giving the tire its final shape and properties. 6, thread and sidewall extruders. Extrusions machine apply the thread pattern and sidewall details to the tire. Number 7, welding drums. Welding drums or drum with segment shape the tire during the building process. Number 8, green tire inspection equipment, X-ray machine and vision system, inspect green anchor tires for defect or inconsistencies before curing. Number 9, uniformity machine, measure and ensure the uniformity of the tire, including weight, distribution, and balance. Dynamic balancing machine, balance the tire to reduce vibration during vehicle operation. Number 10, final inspection equipment, visual inspection stations, manual and automated stations where trained inspectors check finished tires for visual defect or irregularities. Number 11, labeling and marking equipment, printing machines apply labels, markings, and information on the sidewalls of the tire. And the last one, number 12, packaging equipment, the tire packaging machine package the finished tires for distribution.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad FIKRI bin IBRAHIM. Okay, my topic is the significance of the product in its industry and any societal environmental concerns. So, for the significance of the car tires play a crucial role in the automotive industry, ensuring the safety and performance of vehicle. They provide traction, stability, and cushioning, allowing vehicle to maneuver safely on various road surfaces and the weather conditions. Tires also contribute to fuel efficiency and noise reduction. So, for the environmental concern, firstly is microplastic pollution. Okay, tire will generate microplastic, tiny plastic particles that can contaminate waterways and harm marine ecosystem. Next is landfill waste. Discard tire contribute to landfill waste, occupying valuable space and posing potential environmental hazard. Thirdly is toxic chemical. Some tire components may contain toxic chemical that can leach into the environment or if not properly managed. So the next topic is the benefit and drawbacks and propose a sustainable manufacturing approach. First material is natural rubber. The benefit is renewable, biodegradable. Drawbacks for the drawbacks is limited supply, potential for deforestation. Uh, Second material is synthetic rubber. The benefit is high performance, consistent properties. For the drawbacks is environmental impact, resource scarcity. Third material is recycled rubber. The benefit is reduce waste and conserve resources. For the drawback is potential for impurities, lower performance. Fourth material is nano-reinforced materials. The benefit is enhanced performance, reduce material usage. The drawback is potential health and environmental concern. So the last material is bio-based material. The benefit is sustainable, reduce reliance on fossil fuels. For the drawback is limited availability and its higher cost. So, for the proposed sustainable manufacturing approach, my opinion is to increase use of eco-friendly materials, gradually replace conventional materials with eco-friendly alternatives as they become more cost-effective and performance competitive. So, next is implement waste reduction and recycling program. Minimize waste generation and implement comprehensive recycling program for scrap material, solvents, and chemical. Next is optimize energy efficiency. upgrade manufacturing equipment to reduce energy consumption and explore renewable energy source. Lastly is extend tire life. Encourage proper tire maintenance and repair to extend lifespan. Okay, thank you. That's all for me.
So, for conclusion, we can conclude that the manufacturing of car tire has significant environmental impact, but sustainable practice can minimize this impact and promote a more environmentally responsible industry. By adopting eco-friendly material alternatives, optimizing manufacturing process, and implementing waste reduction and recycling programs, tire manufacturers can reduce their environmental footprint and contribute to a more sustainable future. So that's all from us for this presentation about case study of car tire. Thank you.